Well, guys, welcome to the channel. This video is a comparison to the Drop Bear 2. They are absolutely great knives. I like the 2 better than the 1. Uh, I don't know why, I do. I mean, you think about what you want to spend on a knife. You think about what makes a knife make you want to buy that knife. Good place to start is a top liner lock. Stronger than a liner lock, stronger than a frame lock. It just has a lot better. I'm wrenching on that blade. There's no movement. It's got stop pins up here as opposed to way back here, which make it really hard to put in your old choil. But guess what? You don't really need that for this guy. That plunge grind is pretty good. I mean, you'll get 3 good sharpenings out of this before you start seeing it. It has a hollow grind on this guy. That was terrible. Okay. Reset here. So, it has a hollow grind. I've been using this knife exclusively since I got it, until I got the new Kaiser Spitfire, which is in my pocket right now. It comes overall length at 6.94 inches. So that's really good for me. It's under 3 inches for the blade length at 2.96. It has a very generous forward finger choil. I mean, if you have big meaty hands, probably not for you, but for people with medium to large size hands, it's really good. This is fantastic. The handle length is 3.98 inches long. It's quite thin. No, it feels that way. It's a little bit taller than I like, but it fills the hand really nicely. Gives you a nice purchase, especially with the clip point, the swoop right here. Oh, yeah. That's really good. So I wanted to compare these to basically see what makes them different, because the prices on these are absolutely killer. They're really good prices on these things. They are both in Nitro V steel, which is really good for a budget steel. I mean, the toughness is crazy. The ease of sharpening is crazy. The corrosion could be slightly better, but it's still, upper. Edge retention is pretty low, but again, when you have ease of sharpening, you don't really need that. I really do suggest getting a guided sharpener, a guided sharpening system like one of the Work Sharps. You don't have to get the Pro. You get the cheap one. I only have the cheap one and it works perfectly for me. I got arthritis. I have scars all over my hands. I can't stone sharpen because my hands are numb most of the time, so I can't really get into the detail stone sharp. I wish I could. But with that ease of sharpening with the guided system, that makes life a lot easier. Especially for those of us who don't have the time to dedicate a lot of time into sharpening a knife perfectly. But what makes this one different is this is a DLC coating on a $59 knife. DLC. Blue Canyon Rich Light on a $59 knife. That is crazy. These huge thumb studs, big win. That's a congratulations moment for Kaiser. They love doing those tiny little thumb studs, and I am very happy that they did this. So these are scales, and of course they have the steel liners. Just double check that. Well, I can't really tell because Richlite is kind of thick, stronger magnet. Yeah, these are definitely steel liners. Pocket clip is steel. Yeah, all the hardware is steel. Even the buttons steel. Um, they're going to be the same on both. They're both micarta, only this is Richlite. Yeah, these are nested too. They're both run on ceramic cage bearings. I need to double check my facts because I said that one time and it was not the case. It wasn't ceramic. It was just regular old bearings. I just did a video review of the Ara, the Kaiser Ara, and I totally forgot that I bought a scale just so I could do weights. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to just do it separately. I wonder if this will work with it kind of hanging off the desk. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's cage ceramic or just steel. Well, that's poopy. So, let's give them a weight. So, the clip point version right here. See how much this weighs. 2.45. This is 2.45. That's really good. That's ultra lightweight for sure. In the words of Metal Complex, this is ultra lightweight. This one's definitely going to weigh more. Richlite is a little heftier, and DLC adds a little bit of weight for sure. And just the blade shape, because it's not a hollow grind, it's a flat ground blade. Love this damn thing. Let's see. Yeah, this is 2.7 ounces. Oh man, you guys can't even see that. Can you see it now? So yeah, 2.45 and 2.7 ounces. So, weight category, this one wins. Blade shape, this one wins. For me. I love clip point blades. Or Bowies. But I just love the slicey factor of it. But in terms of knife as a whole, this one feels more premium to me. Has that jimping that goes all the way up the blade. This one only has jimping right here. So I like the jimping on this one more. I see why they didn't do it on the swedge on this one. That makes sense to me. The D10 on this one is lighter than this one. This guy's pretty strong. They're great locks. This one's just as good. No issues there. It's just, it must be the, I don't know, it must just be the tension on the steel liner, the D10 ball. Or it could be the coating as well. I've never figured out any of that type of stuff. I'm a knife nerd, but I'm not a knife nerd. These are T8s all the way around, even on the pocket clips. I'm so happy that Kaiser started listening to the community, because that makes a world of a difference. Good tooling makes a knife for me. I have destroyed lots of little screws because it's T6. Yay, T6. Why do I have this? I don't need that. Go away. This one's way better. So, yeah, that's my comparison. All in all, these are really good, and for 58 bucks, even for the DLC version, that's killer. That's like too good to be true price, especially for this. I mean, good luck finding it though. This thing sold out so fast. I had to buy this on the secondary just so I could bring you this video. Um, which I got a killer deal on this thing. It was pennies. It was so good. I love it when deals like that come around. I've been on knife forums for a long time. I have over 500 sales altogether. So that's where I'm at. And there we go. That is the end of this video. All in all, this one, winner. This is the winner of my comparison video. But it only took it by about 1 point. If we're going off of 1 to 10, this is a 10. This is a 9. These are great knives. I highly recommend the liner lock versions. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time.